Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to another video with Domenico's Journey. So after the big rainfall of yesterday, really got soaked yesterday in that water. Um, Today looks like kind of a little bit better. Well, it was looking good yesterday too, to be honest. Anyway, we are going now to a waterfall. We're going to visit this waterfall, and later, after the waterfall, I don't know. Depending how is the weather, we may go to see maybe some a sunset somewhere in a beach, or go eat somewhere. Let's see how is the weather, and we play by that. Remember, I never make plan. I just go out, and whatever comes, comes. So the only plan that we have today is to go to the waterfall. From there, everything is whatever it comes. All right, okay. See you by the waterfall. Bye. This is from here. Alright, okay, here we got to the waterfall. Let's see how is this. So the ticket for entrance are 20,000 rupiah, and supposedly it's very crowded this, and they just told me that there's another waterfall here 10 minutes away that is much less crowded. So after visiting this, let's see how is the weather, and we may gonna go to the other waterfall. All right, okay, let's go see this. So here you can see the entrance, and here you have where you pay the ticket, 20,000 baht. So let's pay this ticket, and then let's go and let's see. Hello, how are you? How much is the ticket?
20,000 each.
20,000. Okay, give me a moment. All right, okay. Bye. Okay, how you can see here, you can see many. When I come back, thank you. How you can see here, you have many things. You have some cafe up there. Thank you. When I come back, thank you. And here you go in. This is a parking. You got many toilets here. So. Hello, coming back. And so here you have many people really. So they told me that it's very, very, very crowded. We will see if it's very crowded. Hi. But so far looking now, yes, it looks very crowded. Very much people. Here they're gonna check. Here they're gonna check your ticket. So. Let's see. Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, and here we go. All right, okay, they put your stamp in your hand and they check your ticket. And so how you can see here on the way down is full of food, souvenir, restaurants, where to eat. So I think it's going to be very good. Lots of clothes if you want to buy clothes, and souvenir of course too. Many restaurants here. So let's go down here and let's see. So the first view of the waterfall, supposedly we can have them already from here. And you can see from here, you got many restaurants down there, and that's the waterfall. And we will go down there and look. We have many restaurants there. We may be gonna drink something. Right, okay. They're going down. You have a pretty much steep way to go down, and you have to think, I guess, when you come back up, that you have to come back up here. So not so easy, and not so easy if you are maybe a older person, or if you cannot walk too much. Maybe you have to, let's see, what is this? This is like a nest. So this is how this restaurant here, restaurant bar. So here you have a place. Let's see where this goes. You can kind of go here and maybe go see this waterfall here. It's a smaller waterfall here on this side. So let's go take some picture of this, because let's see if we can. It's a little bit hard, but we will see. You see, you have people here trying to get there, but yeah, it's kind of hard. Let's see. So you can see here. So this is a small waterfall, practically, that comes down from there, and it gets then together here with this. You have many tour guides here that come here, but I tell you that you don't need them. You really can do this by yourself. And I guess you can. Here you have toilets too, and here I guess you can take a bath here, and I don't know if you like this. And let's go here to the waterfall, to the real waterfall. Let's see how we're gonna get there. So, okay, here you got, and here you have the waterfall. I guess I'm looking, but I have no idea how you get on the other side. I do really have no idea how to get on the other side, but let's go this side and let's see where this path is taking us. And we are going up from here. Okay, and here we got, yeah, some people there, I guess, bathing. If you want, you can bath. And here is this beautiful waterfall. Well, he said that it's not allowed to swim, but still there's people there trying to swim. And maybe one time we will pass from here to go to the other side. Oh, they are working on the other side. Okay, they are rebuilding the path. I guess it broke down. We have had lots of water here, downpour. So, all right, okay. Let's take a few pictures here. Oh, that's a nice restaurant up there. Let's take a few pictures here. So here we finish. Now we're gonna go up, and we're gonna go try to go to the other waterfall. It's many people here. So let's see, maybe the other waterfall has less people. and we can let's look again, and maybe the other waterfall gonna have less people. That's at least what they told us. So let's see if we get to there, and I'll see you again there. Went up the stair here, and this is here. So this is they only open this when they pray here. Now we're trying to go up, and okay, so we need to get up there. So it's going to be a very nice and steep walk. Okay, we made a map. I was very steep, but if you see this on the floor, don't stop. They put them there because they pray. But let's go see what they have. Okay, I think we can stop maybe here a little bit, have something to drink. Alright, okay. Hello.
Something to drink?
Oh yes. Alright, okay. We're gonna sit here, and let's see what we get here. Okay, this is the place here where I stopped, just above the waterfall. You get the waterfall down there. I'm gonna show you. I just ordered some food. It's some Indonesian food. Here it is. Yeah, I have a beer. You get some tomatoes, some salad. You got this. That is the same that we ate the other day. I ate the other day in another restaurant. I think it's like some like rice chip, something like that. And it has an egg, and under the egg has this. Okay, let's try how it is. Right, okay guys. We'll let you know how it is. This Indonesian fried rice. It's very good. And this chip that they give you, I'm going to have to ask what is this actually, but I think it's like rice chip, something like that. Excuse me. We're going to ask. Okay, can you tell me what is this?
This one is like chips, but in Indonesian it's kerupuk.
Kerupuk. So you can hear it's called kerupuk, and it's made of what?
Pardon?
It's flour or rice?
Yeah,
what is?
The flavor.
Ah, okay. All right, okay. So you heard what is this? Kerupuk. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. It's very, very, very good. It's almost like sweet and salty. Really, really good. And this rice is just wonderful. Really, really, really delicious. Alright, okay. When I eat, I'll see you later. So we go on the other waterfall. Alright, okay, here we are on a coffee plantation. And let's go see a little bit how they make this coffee. The whole plantation, and they have tea, they have chocolate, they have many things. So let's go see. Hello.
You must try honey.
I must try honey? Yeah. Okay. Oh, thank you.